Hi, welcome back to the Kitos YouTube channel. In the last video, we created our EZSSH instance with Azure. Now we're actually going to set it up so we can start using it. So first thing we have to do is add any other administrators. This is people that will be able to administrate anything on the application. So we can just make sure to add a small security conscious number of people, and then we go next to our smart card requirements. So basically this is what security requirements you require for smart cards. Some people are okay with people going and buying their own YubiKeys at Best Buy and using that for the corporate, and there's there's organizations that prefer that all the YubiKeys used are registered on our platform before a user can use them. And there's even some people that prefer that the smart card has to be assigned to the user before they can register their own certificates or FIDO2 keys. Then the maximum number of smart cards per user, touch policy, so how often you want the users to touch the YubiKey, either always or cached, so they touch it once. Same with pin protection, number of retry pins before the smart card blocks itself, and the minimum pin length for protecting the certificates in the smart cards. Just the rest of the pin requirements. Also POC. So POC is the pin unblocking key. This is if you want your support team to be able to unblock smart cards. If in case someone forgets their pin, you can call support and they'll help you unblock it. And for that, they require code. So for that, you have to set it up and then set up who the admins that have access to POC are. Distribution method. This is self if you are distributing your own YubiKeys, and you have to talk to Kitos to enable either Yubico or Kitos distributing the YubiKeys for you. Here, which YubiKeys you are going to be giving the option to the users to have. So here, we're just going to select all of them and what countries you're shipping to. So in this case, we're just going to do United States. And we're going to add it. If you are connected to a SIEM, so we can send all the logs, you can add them here. And then is HR administrators. So this is who can create users. Each user has to be added to our HR database before they can request certificates. In this case, I'm just going to add myself. If you have a large organization, we recommend here adding a service principal and automating it. You can talk to the Kitos team. We can help you with that. And we're just going to save the changes here and save the changes here as well. Last, we have our blocked pins. These are pins that we don't want users to have. So repeated pins and everything. By default, we have kind of the usual password things. We recommend adding your company name and so on to this list. And these are just pins that the users are not going to be able to use. So that's how you set up settings. And in the next video, we're going to actually set up the domains that we're going to be enabling for registering smart cards.